Alrighty, good morning, everybody. How are we doing today? How we doing? How we doing? Ideally want to be trading futures, but take profit is down. It's down. It's not working. It's down. It's kind of pissing me off. And then they also sent some email out this morning saying no trading FOMC, which I think is also bullshit. Pretty much right now we are retesting, or we did retest the midnight open also with this hourly range. Pretty much as long as we hold up to 211, we see more upside. Um, right now we're kind of just sideways, not really bullish, not really bearish, just kind of range bound. Be careful as well trading cues because IV is extremely high, extremely high. I do like meta. Meta is testing our call trigger here, so let's go ahead and jump in. Oh, whoa, whoa. We'll take one contract. Ooh, we'll take two contracts. We'll take two contracts. I don't even like those. How much it is? Extra $100. Well, Meta just tested the call trigger. I like it up to 680. Damn, they're basically 22. Alrighty. Um, no point in trading NQ. We can't trade it. Um, and options IV is extremely high right now. Despite it being FOMC and we are kind of chopping, it's still really good price action. We're pretty much like in 50, or no, not 50, like 30 points range. Based on this 5 minute candle, if we can close above 54, we push back up. If we can close below 39, we push lower. Hey, Meta, what are you doing? There's also that massive gap, like massive. Oh shit, it's after hours. Ah. All right, so Meta ER is after hours today. Pretty much looking to take this up to 680. We'll see how far it wants to go. Might even lotto these for ER. We have this massive gap. Like massive. Like massive. Like it's possible. The same gap down we had, we could potentially gap up too. Or right through this range. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, cons are pretty juiced right now. Like right now it's just kind of a be patient. I wouldn't touch options personally. That's why I'm so pissed about futures right now because really all you can do is trade futures. All I know is take profit better give me my damn $1,600. That's what I do know. And it's actually 3,200 because yeah, we're copy trading. So we'll see what take profit wants to do. But yeah, they owe me 3,200. I don't care how it comes. But we pretty much went long, like down here at 40, and took this up to here. So pretty much like a 40-point move with two contracts, or with four contracts, two contracts on each account. Um, and I have it screen recorded as well. So yeah, I highly suggest if you're trading prop firms, screen record if you can. They're shady. They can do shady shit. Well, some of them are shady, but yeah, they can do definitely shady shit. So having a screen recording definitely protects you. And worst case scenario, if they don't make things right, if there's an error, you can literally call your bank, and they have no choice but to issue you your money back. All right, so Meta with a slight pullback. Oh no, that's the hourly. What am I doing? I mean, honestly, even based on the hourly, we'll see how it closes in the next 30 minutes, or I guess 19 minutes. I do need to go ahead and make a green day really quick. If I'm not mistaken, thinking the green day here, here, and here. All right, so we're probably gonna go ahead and literally get a green day really, really quick. If the 15-second can close above 240, I'll go long. And this long is literally for a scalp to just say we had a green day. Um, a lot of these counts are way overdue a payout, like way overdue. This one's at 4K, this one's at 5K, this one's at 5K. So yeah, pretty much like 15K in profit. All right, cool. Guess we'll just scalp puts. I'll scalp puts if he closed below 27. All right, we got the close. Let me in. Part two contracts. See it's midnight open. I get it. Let's just push through this range. There we go. Alrighty. There's no way that didn't count. Oh my god. Well, we'll worry about that later. Mm-mm-mm. Honestly, as long as we stay below 31, we see more downside. Close above 31, we push up. 1 minute left in this 5 minute candle. So far, we're rejecting that 31 range. Big puts. See, but still look good to me. All right. Well, damn. I'm gonna wait till the next 5 minute candle. We're about to just scalp something really quick. Ooh. Scalp some puts. It should be in, but it is what it is. I think the next 5 minute candle could potentially give us a pullback and also give us more clarity. Because if we close below 229, we're gonna go down. Probably take out Asia's low. 18 seconds left. However, a lot can change in 18 seconds. I've seen it thousands of times. This is so annoying. I can't short this right now. Wait, my trade debate screen is working, but price isn't moving. But my screen is working, but price isn't moving. What fuck? I should have never just refreshed because now it's not working again. Yeah, now it's not working again. Pretty much buyer stepping in at midnight open. What's Meta doing? All right, so buyer stepped in instantly off of this hourly range. Pretty much right now, we would have to see a close above 41 and we push up. We can close above 41 here on the 5 minute. 3 minutes left in this 5 minute candle. If we close below this range, we should push down. 3 seconds left. 2 seconds. We got the close. Take them. We literally just need a green day. Cool. All right, got the green day I needed. Um, Next account. Oh, excuse me. Still think we push lower from here. And also be careful if you're trading options. Like I said, IV is extremely high. We talked about this yesterday on the trade recap, so please be careful. All right, Meta is struggling to break out here. Really not worried. All right, so 5 minute did not close above 241. As long as we stay below that 241 range, we should see more downside here. Watching some scalps again. We just need a green day for this account as well. And then we'll pretty much look to be patient. Today's price action, we have FOMC at 2 o'clock, so that's pretty much why we're dealing with this type of price action. And honestly, price action isn't terrible. It's just you shouldn't be trading this on like the 1 minute or the lower time frames. Basically your setup should be coming from ideally the 5 minute. Let's take a look at common stocks. We might be able to find something here. Nvidia already gapped up, missed our entry. Well, I guess we didn't really have a good entry to begin with. Google, what's going on, Google? Google broke out of the call trigger. I do like Google. Does Google have ER as well? February 4th. Why are these contracts? Google came from the watch list. Currently rejecting. I'll add to Google here in a bit. ESES. In order to shift bearish, let's see. All right. In order to shift bearish, I would need to see a close below 7,016. Close below there. We should continuously push down. DX is at 69.90, 69.90. All right, cool. Pretty much if we get the close below 718, I'll scalp a short. So far, 718 is still holding, still being respected. We can breach below it on the 2 minute. We should push down from there. So far, it's kind of still respecting that fair value gap. Same thing on a 1 minute. If we close below 718, we push down. Alright, so we close below it. So far, we're just stuck in retracement. Alright, I like them. Let me take these. Take a little scalp on some puts. If I can find the right contract. 6900. 5 take these 6950s. Yeah, this price action is not fun. Uh, 2 minute candle closes here in 4 seconds. Price is trying to hold that level. Yeah, we're probably just gonna call it a morning. This price action is not worth trading. This thing is quite boring. So I will see you guys later. Yeah, be careful trading this. Honestly, no point in trading. I put out a message this morning pretty much if you don't see clean setups, just sit on your hands. And pretty much that applies to right now. So based on that, I'm going to go ahead and call it a morning. We'll look back around 2 o'clock when FOMC starts. I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. Remember, FOMC, IV is going to be high, a lot of ER as well. So Please don't give back any profits. Be patient as well. Hold on to your trades. Have conviction. Like I said, IV will be high, and no need to be greedy as well. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day, and I will see you guys later.